The morning report for the 1st of May 2009. They say no news is good news, but unfortunately there is a bit of news out today and it's not that good. Now, first of all, Wayne Swan has come out and announced that the budget deficit could be as large as $70 billion. Now, part of this is due to decrease in tax revenue, and the decrease is expected to be around $200 billion. Obviously, this is not a positive for the government, and certainly we'll hear more about this later in May as the budget comes out. Now, also, Bank West posted a $39 million loss yesterday. Now, Bank West was recently acquired by Commonwealth Bank. Part of the loss is an increase in provisions of $87 million. Again, the banking sector will come under pressure in the next couple of days. We're also seeing ANZ and NAB come out with pretty ordinary reports, Commonwealth Bank and Westpac to come, and I expect to see some problems there as well. But however, the banks are still paying a good dividend, so for myself, I'll be hanging on for the income. Now, we watched the overseas market last night. The Dow Jones closed flat. However, that's not the full story. What we did see is a strong surge of 1.7% at the start of the trade, for this only to be reversed after ExxonMobil came out with their report showing a poor return overall. The government also pushed Chrysler into bankruptcy. So some bad news coming through from the overseas markets. As you've seen, they have been struggling along with our market to push above the 3,800 level. So Dow Jones was flat yesterday, S&P 500 was flat, and the Nasdaq gained a little bit of ground, up 0.3%. The FTSE over had a good night, up 1.3%. Keeping in mind the FTSE does close before the US market, so it probably the news hadn't flowed through. Our market had a great day yesterday, up 2.3%, closing at 3,780, still unable to push through that $3,800 barrier. But we should expect to see our market pull back today on the back of bad news flowing through about the budget, and obviously bad news flowing through about the energy companies in the US. In other news, we saw the gold price down 1% to close at $891 an ounce. Oil was up slightly, up 16 points to close at $50 a barrel, and the Aussie dollar stayed still, closed at 72 US cents. Now, for more information, go to our website at growyourwealth.com.au.